And before we get too much further, here's a look at each manager's starting lineup here for the opener. And then briefly, let's take a look at the two starting pitchers who get the assignment here. Doyle Bryan will stride in now, back in the lineup after being limited to pinch hit duties in yesterday's ball game. He's set, now the pitch. Now a hard hit ball back up the middle. Bare-handed for one. On to first, and they get the double play.
Well, this ball is hit sharply, but you'll see the pitch is working its way down in the strike zone, and that's very tough to elevate. It's going to wind up being an easy double play ball.
Catfish Brown will get his first opportunity now, and you can see that average pushing up near 350 to start things out. Now the first pitch, and he takes ball one. The 1-0 pitch. Had him lunging at that pitch away, and it's 1-1 now.
Oh, man, what a perfect pitch right there in a perfect spot. And that's exactly how you have to attack a guy like this. He wasn't even close on that pitch.
Here's the 2-1 pitch. Fastball, and he's got to duck away for dear life there. Can't imagine guys like that too much.
Yeah, not too much indeed. You start getting into the danger area when it's up and in that high.
And a great location that time on the corner, 3-2 now.
And after you move a guy off the plate and you know he's all worked up, that's a perfect time to drop a curveball or a changeup on him. Great pitch call right there.
And he reaches for one out of the zone and misses rather badly for the first out.
If he could have been just a little more patient there, would have had a leadoff walk. Instead, chases it out of the zone here and winds up costing him.
Frank Arnaz will stand in now to get us going here in the fourth. Here comes a 2-2. Now a swing and a hard hit ball to short. And that'll get by into left field, so he's on to lead off the inning.
Yeah, he had a chance to put him away. Had him down 0-2, tried to get him to chase a couple of times, but he wouldn't do it, and he winds up making contact on a good pitch there.
Catfish Brown will lead things off here in the home half of the fourth.
Catfish Brown.
Here's the first offering. Started to go around there, but he holds up ball one. Not much to shout about for either team here as we start the fourth inning, 0-0.
Yeah, I think we kind of knew that pitching might take the upper hand here. Maybe not to this extent, but both guys have really thrown the ball well.
Fouled straight back. Here's the 1-1. 1-1 pitch swung on and pulled down the line to third. And he's retired here, one away.
Well, that's a nice job right there to readjust to that curveball. I don't know if he was sitting on it or what, but he certainly hit it hard. Unfortunately for him, right at someone.
Manny Andino will bat for himself here in a tie ball game in the 6th. Pitch on the way. Got him to reach for it there as this is grounded to short. Throw to first gets him, so the leadoff man's retired here to begin the 6th.
I think we expected to see a well-pitched game coming in, and we got one. Starting to look like the team who scores first might be the one who wins.
Catfish Brown will dig in for the 3rd time now. He's struck out and bounced out in his first 2 trips. First pitch coming. And he'll take strike 1 on the fastball, registering at 93 that time.
Yeah, and it seems like he kind of got away from that pitch here in the last few innings. You got to think about bringing that one right back.
He's set, now the pitch. And now this is swung on and pulled down the third base line. But this will be a foul ball as he's behind 0-2 now. Comes set, now the pitch. And a swing and a miss as they caught him reaching that time, and there are 2 away.
Well, you know when you get 2 strikes on you, you go into that protection mode up there at the plate. Let's see where this pitch winds up. Oh, yeah, that thing's nowhere near the strike zone, and that's a good job of making a guy go fishing for something he didn't really want to hit.
Catfish Brown will step in now in a big spot here in a game as close as this one.
And a chance at redemption, too, because he hasn't done much through his first 3 plate appearances. But he can make up for all of that with a base hit right here.
And he catches the inside corner for a called strike. 0-1.
And you can see him trying to be a little bit more patient here. He's got 2 strikeouts already, but he's got to be careful not to fall too far behind.
He's ready now, the pitch. And he gets him to swing through that one. He's in control, 0-2.
And that's a case where he's just trying to do anything to get his guys on the board.
From the belt, the pitch. And he struck him out. And there's the hat trick, as that's his 3rd strikeout of the ball game. Quezada will enter now to start the 9th inning, as his job will be keeping the game tied until the bottom half. Dave Langston will step in now as his guys look for a breakthrough here with a runner in scoring position.
Yeah, and it's been a long time coming. They haven't done anything with their opportunities so far. Maybe this will be the time that they finally crack the scoreboard.
The 0-1. Slider swung on and grounded toward short. Throw gets him, 2 down.
Now batting, first baseman, Stefan Escobar.
good outing from your starting pitcher, but this man went above and beyond in this one. He's our top player of the game.
Yeah, he definitely turned in the standout performance in this one. He finishes with an even 10 strikeouts, and he was instrumental in leading his guys to the victory.
So that just about does it. For EK, Psycho, and the crew, I'm Matt Vasgersian. You've been watching MLB The Show. For more, get those smartphones and tablets out and head over to theshownation.com. The Bay Bears win. Things turned around here in April as he enters play with an